Let's learn how to pronounce the K and G consonants in American English. To pronounce the K and G consonants, the tongue pulls back into the mouth, and the back of the tongue makes contact with the soft palate. This stops the airflow. A small amount of air pressure builds up in the back of the mouth and throat. Then the air is released as you drop the tongue. K, G. When making the G consonant, you should feel vibration in two places, in the throat and at the point where the articulators touch, which is where the back of the tongue touches the soft palate. This is the vibration of the air as it exits the mouth. The K consonant does not have vibration because it is a voiceless sound, so the vocal cords are turned off as you say it.